Hello students, this is the 10th part of functions. Today I am going to explain some problems based on our previous parts. Okay, so especially the problems on types of functions, especially one and onto and bisective functions. So here first problem here, f maps open 0 to infinity to closed 0 to infinity defined by under rule x square. This is the function. Now you want to check what type of function is this, 1 or on to, like that. Okay, so students, best method is graphical method. Try to draw the graph of f of x equal x square, that is y equal x square. By using that graph directly you can say what type of function is that. The easiest way, Nana. Okay, so I will show you. This is y equal x square. So the graph of y equal x square is a parabola, already you know that. Okay students, listen, Nana. So this is actual y equal x square, but your inputs are open 0 to infinity, means your graph is this is your graph. Okay, obviously it is 1. So what is the meaning of that? This is the graph, this portion won't be. So this is the graph on the plane. So draw any horizontal line, and that horizontal line intersects the graph at only one point. What is the meaning of that? It is a 1 function. Draw any line. See here at one point, draw any one line at one point only. So given function is 1. Given function is 1. Now how to check onto? Here codomain is closed 0 to infinity. Range also closed 0 to infinity. Then you can say it is onto. Range equal to codomain. But see, observe here, na. So x is not taken as 0 here. Means y you can't take get as a 0. So these are the outputs. Your outputs are 0 to infinity. So I can say range equal to open 0 to infinity, which is not equal to codomain. Why codomain closed 0 to infinity? No, 0 is not there here. So open 0 to infinity is not equal to closed 0 to infinity. Okay, that's what the meaning of that. Range is not equal to codomain, means f is not onto. F is not onto. F is 1 and not onto. There is the answer for the problem. Okay, so first option 1 but not onto. I can go with option 1. Okay students, okay, you don't know graphical method, but how to find the solution, that is important. Okay, yeah. So first of all, let f of x1 equal to f of x2. If this gives x1 equal to x2, then you consider 1 function. F of x means x1 square equal to x2 square. So mod x1 equal to mod x2. Actually your inputs are positive numbers, no? X1 is positive, x2 is positive. So what is mod x, Nana? X only, no? If x is positive. Okay, that's why this is x1, this is equal to x2. What happened? F of x1 equal to f of x2 gives x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is 1. I am explaining two methods. First method, graphical method, I clearly explained. Now algebraical method. So algebraically, what is conclusion? Given function is 1 function. Okay. Now how to check onto? Just we need to find range of this function. Your inputs are 0 to infinity, no? What is x here? Input is x, output is y. No, this y is equal to x square. Your input is x, output is y. So what is input, Nana? Greater than 0. Clearly given, no? Greater than 0. But you want x square, so squaring another side. X square also greater than 0 only. What is the meaning of that? X square belongs to open 0 to infinity. What is the meaning of that? Range equal to open 0 to infinity. Range is open 0 to infinity, but codomain is given closed 0 to infinity. That these two are not same. Okay, I will write range not equal to codomain. What is the range? Open 0 to infinity. What is codomain? Closed 0 to infinity. Closed, no, 0 is closed. Only one different is 0. Okay, that's why given function is not onto. So f is not onto. Okay. Yeah, first problem explained. Yeah, second problem. So students, my sincere advice, try to use graph to find the nature of the function. Use graphs. Okay. F maps D to R. D means one set, R means real numbers. D is already given. What is D? Clearly given here. D is minus pi by 2 lesser than x less than pi by 2. Okay. D to R defined by f of x equal to 3 plus 4x. Okay. What type of function this? That is interesting thing. First of all, I can say that this is 1 1 only. Directly I can say that. Say let x1 comma x2 belongs to D. D means domain. This from here to here. Let f of x1 equal to f of x2. F of x1 means what, Nana? 3 plus 4x1 equal to 3 plus 4y1. Sir, 4x2. Okay. Yeah, 4x1 equal to 4x2. Subtracted 3 on the other side. Divided by 4 on the other side. x1 equal to x2. What is the meaning of that? F of x1 equal to f of x2 gives x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Okay. Now onto. Checking for onto. How to check onto, Nana? We need to find range of this. What is the codomain? R. If a range is equal to R, then you consider onto. Otherwise, it is not onto. Now I want to find range. What is x? X is from minus pi by 2 lesser than x less than pi by 2. But instead of this area, what I want? 3x plus 3 plus 4x I want. First of all, I am multiplying 4 minus 2 pi less than 4x less than 2 pi. Just I multiplied 4, Nana. 4, 4, 4. 2 2s are like that. So multiplied. Okay. Next 3 added. Minus 2 pi plus 3 less than 3 plus 4x less than 2 pi plus 3. What is the meaning of this? 3 plus 4x belongs to open minus 2 pi plus 3 to 2 pi plus 3. Observe, this is not total real number line, no? Just minus 2 pi. What is the value of 2 pi? 3 point something to 2 means 6 point. Minus 6 point something plus 3. 2 plus 6 point something plus 3 only. So only these are the range, but a codomain all real numbers. This is not equal to all real numbers. Means that given function is not onto function. So I will write minus 2 pi plus 3 comma 2 pi plus 3 is not equal to R. Is not equal to R. Therefore f is not onto. F is 1 1 but not onto. So I want to check options. First option, f is not 1 1 but onto. Wrong. F is 1 1 but not to. Correct. F is 1 1 and as well as onto. Wrong. F is neither one. Wrong. So option 2 is correct for the question. Okay. Third question. Interesting question. Yeah, f of x is called what, Nana? Sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. So what is the value of f of? Always 1 only, no? Irrespective of x. For every x belongs to R, it is 1 only. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 only, no? Okay, first thing. Next, g of x. G of x is given secant square x minus tan square x. Again, secant square x minus tan square x 1 only. What x? For every x belongs to a real number and the angles which are not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. For those values, tan and secant are not defined. Okay, both are equal to 1. Rules are same, but domains are not same, no? Domain of f of x is all real numbers. Domain of g of x is all real numbers and angles which are not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. When domains are not same, so by equality of functions, those two functions are not equal functions. Okay, the domain of of f is all real numbers. Domain of G is all real numbers except the angles x such that x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Therefore, f function not equal to g function. Never these two equal functions. So when they are equal means, so the domain of R also taken as this, then that becomes equal functions. Okay, if domain of f is taken as R minus x such that x equal 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z, then f equal to g. In this condition only two functions are equal. Now I want to say the two functions are equal over the set. Which set over the set means I can say under this set they are equal. Okay, pi wrong, r wrong, this is wrong, this is correct. So under this, if domain of A also taken as this, already domain of G is this one only. So domains are same, rules are same, then they are said to be equal function by the definition of equality. Okay. Students, very difficult concept, Nana. Functions concept is difficult. Next upcoming chapters, limits, differentiation are also very difficult. Okay, next fourth problem. Yeah, what is the fourth problem? F map R to R defined by f of x equal to x by x square plus 1. Now you want to check this rule gives 1 1 or on 2 or something like that. First of all, checking for 1 1. Clearly I explained how to check for 1 1. We want to assume that f of x1 equal to f of x2. If it gives x1 equal to x2, then it is said to be 1 1. Let f of x1 equal to f of x2, where x1 comma x2 belongs to domain. So what is this? X1 by x1 square plus 1 equal to x2 by x2 square plus 1. Simplification, x1 x2 square plus x1 equal to x2 x1 square plus x2. Do one thing, transfer this side and this right hand side. X1 x2 square minus x2 x1 square equal to x2 minus x1. So here x1 x2 can take in common. What will get? X2 minus x1 equal to x2 minus x1, or in other words I can say that x1 x2 of x2 minus x1 minus x2 minus x1 equal to 0. Okay students, now I want to write here. Yeah, so what I can take common? X2 minus x1 is taken common into what will get? X1 into x2 minus 1 equal to 0. Either x2 minus x1 equal to 0 or x1 into x2 minus 1 equal to 0. Means either x2 equal to x1 or x1 into x2 equal to 1. So these two are equal, or this happens. No, if only one condition will get, if for example x1 equal to x2, then directly you can say that is a 1 1. But what you are getting here? X1 equal to x2 or x1 equal to x2 or x1 into x2 equal to 1. Or we are getting now, that's why given function is not 1 1. Therefore f is not 1 1. Not 1 1. Now checking for onto Nana. For checking for onto means here domain is capital R, codomain is capital R. We want to find range. Range also capital R. Then I can say that it is onto function. Okay, just I want to find range of this. Very difficult Nana finding domains and ranges. Just listen all of you how I am finding range. F of x equal to x by x square plus 1 given, or let y equal to x by x square plus 1. These are very important concept, this one, finding domains and ranges. Okay, first of all I will explain student how to find domain. What values of x this y is real, that is called domain. What real x, y is real, that is domain. Here y is subject, no? Y is subject here. What real x, y real, that is domain. So see here, x by x square plus 1. Whatever we x, this is real number only, no? Whatever we x, this is real number only. That's what domain is all real numbers. For example, y is equal to, for example, 2 by x is given. What x, y is real means x is not equal to 0, no? So in this case, I can say domain is all real numbers minus set 0. I already explained the concept. So what happened here? Domain is all real numbers. Again, I want to write. Yeah, y is taken as x by x square plus 1. For every x belongs to R, y also real. That is domain of f is capital R. Already given here capital, that is not big problem, but now I am explaining how to find domains. Range, very difficult. Range, finding range. Student, if a function is given rule form, how to find domain and how to find range is important. I already explained how to find domain. What real x, y real is called domain. Now how to find range means reverse process, reverse, no? Yeah, this is x is paired with y. Yeah, so this x belongs to domain and y belongs to codomain, no? So reverse process. What x, y real is gives domain. What real y, x is real gives range. So means you are here you want to make here x as subject. So that's why y is taken as x by x square plus 1. From this I want to make x as subject. X square y x square plus y equal to x, or y x square minus x plus y equal to 0. I want to write here only, students. Domain completed. I am finding a range here. This is quadratic in x. Observe, y x square minus x plus y equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A means what, Nana, here? Y. B means minus 1. C means y. You know how to find x as subject. X equal to minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equal to minus b. B means what here? 1. 1 plus r minus root over b square 1 minus 4. A means y. C means y by 2y. So finally what I got? X equal to 1 plus r minus root over 1 minus 4y square by 2y. So here important thing now. Here important. What I am doing now? I am finding range of the given function. So what values of y x real should find? What real y x is real? That is called range. Observe here, root over is there. Root over, this should not be negative, no? This should not be negative. If this is negative, x is not real number. You want what real y, x should be real. So here 1 minus 4y square negative number. So this means complex number. X is not a real number. That what is the meaning of that? Your 1 minus 4y square should not negative. It should be greater than or equal to 0. That one I will write here. So 1 minus 4y square must and should greater than or equal to 0, and y is not equal to 0 also. 0. Y equal to 0, x is also not real number. Okay, y equal to 0, 1 plus 1 by 2y, no? So that's why y should not be 0 and 1 minus 4y square should be greater than or equal to 0. So now I want to find what values of y this happens. So I want to use a sign scheme, na? That's why 4y square minus 1 lesser than or equal to 0, or 2y plus 1 into 2y minus 1 lesser than or equal to 0. So number line. So minus half plus half. Okay, plus minus plus negative symbols I want. So what I can say? Y belongs to closed minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Okay. So what I wrote here, y not equal to 0, no? Y equal to 0 happens here. See here, y means what happened? Y equal actually x by x square. In general here y is not equal to 0, but this function is giving y equal to 0. If x equal to 0, what is y, Nana? If x equal to 0, y equal to 0 only, no? That's why your output is 0. That what values of x means I can say x equal to 0. Okay. So finally what I got, y is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means range, this is called range. Range of f is closed minus 1 by 2 to closed 1 by 2. This is not equal to r, no, here codomain is given r, I got range is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So range is not equal to codomain, so it is not a onto. Already we proved that is not 1 1, now not onto means first option not correct, second option not correct, third not correct, fourth option correct, neither 1 1 nor onto. So I will write here range not equal to codomain. So f is not onto. Very important question under this one. Yeah. Next, f map z to z, integer to integers, should take care. F of x is defined by the rule 6x minus 11. Now we want to find what type of function is this, interesting thing. Obviously it is 1 1, no? Yeah, obviously it is 1 1. So let f of x1 equal to f of x2. So why directly how I am saying this is 1 1? 6x minus 11 gives a straight line and the coordinate plane. No? Every straight line is gives 1 1 only, because draw any line, horizontal line, it will intersect at graph at only one point. That's why straight lines always gives on 1 1 functions. Okay, not onto none, 1 1 functions. That's what, by seeing observing this given rule only I can say that it is 1 1, because the rule is 6x minus 11. No? Okay. Let f of x1 equal to f of x2. 6x1 minus 11 equal to 6x2 minus 11. 6x1 equal to 6x2. Added 11 either side. Divided by 6 another side. x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f of x1 equal to f of x2 gives x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1. F is 1 1 completed. But how to check for onto? That is very difficult, Nana. Just I want to find range. Just now I explain how to find domains and ranges. Very important. This is the function. For this function, how to find domain and range. So f of x means y only, no? Y equal to 6x minus 11. So what real x, y is real, that is domain. Okay, after making x as subject, what real y, x is real, that gives range. That is the easiest way to find domain and range. So clearly, what real x, 6x minus 11 real number, all real numbers only. The domain is all real numbers. Dom is all real numbers. Here also given domain is integers, but domain is actually all real numbers. But in this problem, domain is z is given, no problem. So for every z, it is defined. That is the meaning. For every x as a z, y also z only. Domain is z. Reverse you want to find. You want to make x as subject. After that, for every y as a z, x should be z. Then you can say that it is onto. Okay, range I am finding range. 6x equal to y plus 11. X equal to y plus 11 by 6. What is y, Nana, here? Y is z. For every z, x is z or not, you need to check. For example, instead of z, I take, for example, I took 2. 2 plus 11, how much, Nana? 13. 13 by 6, not integer only, no? What is the meaning of that? For every y, z is, x is not an integer. What is the meaning of that? Domain, sorry, range is not equal to z. Range is not equal to z. Range is not z, means it is not onto. Okay, I will write for every y belongs to z, x is not an integer. That is, range is not equal to z means codomain. Therefore, f is not onto. Already proved f is 1 1, now it is not onto. So now I want to write answer. I want to find out which option is correct for this. Injective but not surjective, correct. So it is difficult problem because it is a piecewise function. Checking for 1 1 and onto for piecewise function very difficult, Nana. So I will explain the procedure. F is from R to R, means domain is R, codomain also R, defined by f of x is equal 2 pieces here, 2x plus 5 for x greater than 0, 3x minus 2 for x lesser than or equal to 0. Observe students, the total real numbers are divided into 2 pieces. 0 more than 0, this is the rule. For lesser than 0, this is the rule for the function. So 2 pieces are given. So, and here important thing is all real numbers are involved here. Just try to check for these x values, this is 1 1 or not. For these x values, this is 1 1 or not. If both are 1 1 for those respective x values, then you can say that given function is 1 1. Okay, first of all, so directly I can say that is 1 1 only, no? Straight line, 2x plus 5 gives a straight line in the coordinate plane, 1 1 only, 3x minus 2 also 1 1, that is not big problem. No need to check in examination, directly you can say that it is 1 1. Okay, but I want to explain here for x greater than 0, let f of x1 equal to f of x2, that is 2x1 plus 5 equal to 2x2 plus 5, subtracting from another side, 2x1 equal to 2x2, dividing to another side, x1 equal to x2. That is, yeah, f of x equal to 2x plus 5 for x greater than 0 is a 1 1. Student, not only for x greater than 0, for all x real numbers, 2x plus 5 is 1 1 only, because it is straight line. Next, for x lesser than or equal to 0, so f of x1 is taken as f of x2. So 3x1 minus 2 is taken as 3x2 minus 2. 3x1 equal to 3x2, x1 equal to x2. What the meaning of that? F of x1 equal to f of x2, giving x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1 under this x. Not only this, for all x it is 1 1, because again it is a straight line. So finally what happened? F is 1 1. F is 1 1. This final conclusion. Now this very difficult problem for checking for onto. Do one thing, Nana, try to find range. For these x values, what is the value of this? That is its range. These x values, what is this? That is its range. Find separately ranges, they find their union, that gives the total range of the function. Okay, now I am finding, observe, your inputs are greater than 0, what are the outputs should find now? So let y equal to 2x plus 5, first piece. So x is greater than 0, then what is 2x plus 5 should find? X is greater than 0, no? I want to create a function here, that is 2x plus 5, multiplying to another side. 2x greater than 0 into 2, 0. Adding to another side, adding 5 another side. 2x plus 5 greater than 0 plus 5. What is the meaning of that? 2x plus 5 greater than 5 for x greater than 0. What is the meaning of that? 2x plus 5 is belongs to open phi to infinity. Open phi to infinity. So range of this function is open phi to infinity. Domain is 0, greater than 0 only. Range is open phi to infinity. That I will write. Range of 2x plus 5 is open phi to infinity. Okay. Next, I want for range of second part. What is that? Y is taken as 3x minus 2. What is x done here? X lesser than or equal to 0. Your x values are 0 or less than 0. Substitute here. What will get by? That is range. But logically I want to find, I want to create a function here which is in the form of 3x minus 2. First multiply 3. 3x lesser than or equal to 3. That is not big problem. 0, sorry. Subtracting 2. 3x minus 2 lesser than 0 minus 2. 3x minus 2 lesser than or equal to minus 2. What is the meaning of that? 3x minus 2 equal to minus 2 or less than minus 2. What is the meaning of that? 3x minus 2 belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 closed. So this is the range of second function. I will write that. Range of 3x minus 5 is minus infinity to minus 2 closed. total range union of these two. Yeah, range of f I can say is minus infinity to minus 2 union open 5 to infinity. Observe, this is not a real number set, no. Minus 2 to 5, so many real numbers are missing. That's why range is not equal to codomain. So minus infinity to minus 2 closed union open 5 to infinity is not equal to R. Range is not equal to codomain. Range is not equal to codomain. Means f is not onto. F is not onto. So f is not onto. Okay, f is 1 1 but not onto. Now I want right answer. Function correct only, 1 1 correct only, onto wrong, 1 1 onto wrong. I will move with option 2. This is 6th question. Yeah. 7th question. A function f from the set natural number to integers, n to integers. Yeah. Defined by rule f of n equal to n minus 1 by 2 if n is odd, minus n by 2 if n is even. What is n on here? Natural number. So that's why if n is taken as odd, odd all numbers should be paired under this rule. If n is even, all the numbers should be paired with under this rule. Okay, that's why what I am doing here. I want to separate odd natural numbers and even natural numbers. These are odd natural numbers, even natural numbers. Here all integers are there. Okay, if 1 is taken, what 1 should pair with? 1 odd, no, 1 minus 1, 0 by 2, 1 should pair with 0. Okay, 3 is taken, for 3 is also odd only, no. 3 minus 1, 2, 3 is paired with 1. 5 is taken, for example, 5 minus 1 paired with 2, like that. What the meaning of that? 1, 3, 5, all these odd natural numbers are paired with 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Means all the elements of all odd natural numbers will have images and different images. Okay, next even numbers are taken, even numbers 2, 4, 6, like that. If 2 is taken, what it should pair? 2 is taken, 2 should pair with minus 1. Okay, so 4 is taken, minus 4 by 2, the 4 should be paired with minus 2. Integers, no, integers, all integers are pairing, all even numbers are paired with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. Okay, all these natural numbers, odd natural numbers are paired with 0, 1, 2, so on. Okay, so what happened? For example, 7 is given. What is the pre-image of this? Okay, they should identify. The pre-image should be positive, means it should be paired with an odd number. What values of n minus 1 by 2 equals 7, n minus 1 equals 14, n equals 15, means what happened if n is taken as 15, so 15 is paired with 7. What is the meaning of that? All odd numbers are paired and all odd numbers are different images, and all even numbers are different images. So this 1, 1 as well as onto. Okay, understood? Range equal to codomain, range equal to codomain. So what happened? Here all negative integers you will get, here all positive integers you will get, and non-negative integers. All integers will have pre-image in domain. That's why I can say that given function is onto. First of all, we observe that 1, 1, now onto. That is important. For example, 8 is taken. We want to find its pre-image. If exist, then it is said to be onto. We can say that 8 exists. What happened? What values of 8? No, 8 n minus 1 by 2 equal to 8 means n equal to 16, n equal to 17. So this 17 should be paired with that 8 only. Means every element of Z have pre-images. That's why it's onto. So 1, 1 and onto. I will go with option 1, 1 and onto. Okay, ninth question. Equivalent function. If this function is given, this function equal to which of them? Which of the following? Log x square So from law number 3 logarithm we can write 2 into log x. So many members will make mistake. They are saying that log x square is equal to 2 log x. Okay, equality only, but in function sense these two are not equal. Why function sense these two are not equal? Their domains are not same. No? What is the domain? Any x you can take, any real number you can take, even negatives also you can take. No? minus 2 square 4 only. Except 0, everything you can take. Means domain of this is all real numbers except 0. But what is the domain of this? See, only x is there. No? All positive real numbers only domain here. So domain is open 0 to infinity. So domain of this function not equal to domain of this function, means these two functions are not equal. That's why log x square not equal to 2 log x. But the question is, what log x square equal to what? Which of the following function? What conditions those two are equal? That is important. Okay, log x square given. Nana. Generally we will write log x. This is wrong. If you write mod, then correct only. Observe. Nana. What is the domain of this? All real numbers except 0. What is the domain of this? All real numbers except 0. Negative numbers also can take. Mod is there, no problem. What is the meaning of that? These two are same. That's why I can say that my option is 2. Questions? Yeah. 11th question. The number of linear functions, the function of the form ax plus b. Linear functions, the function of the form ax plus b. So already you know the ax plus b equal to y gives a straight line on the coordinate plane. Already explained. Okay. So the number of linear functions which maps minus 1 to 1 to 0 comma 2. I will explain through graph. Nana. Observe here. Yeah. Your input is minus 1 to 1. Nana. Your output should be 0 to 2. Such a way that how many linear functions exist, how many straight lines you can draw, that is important thing. See here. So this is one of the straight line. Domain is minus 1 to 1. Range is 0 to 2 only for this straight line. So for here also I can another straight line I can draw. What is the meaning of? For this straight line also domain is from minus 1 to 1 only. Range is 0 to 2 only. What is the meaning of? We are getting two straight line segments between minus 1 to 1. Domain is minus 1 to 1. Range is 0 to 2. Means what I can say? We can say that there exist two linear functions. My answer is with 2. Yeah, 11th question. A is open 3 to 81. F map A to B is surjection defined by f of x equal log x base 3. Then find B. Listen all of you. F map A to B is a surjection. B what actually? Codomain. What is the what type of function? Surjective. Codomain should be equal to range only, no? Indirectly what is asking? What is the range of this function? Indirectly. What is the range of this function? What is B? B means actually codomain. For given function surjective means codomain and range are same. Indirectly B equal to what means? Range I can say. That is B equal to range of the function. What is the rule for function, Nana? Log x base 3. What is the domain? Open 3 to open 81. So if your values are taken from 3 to 81, what will get outputs? Those are said to be range. Okay, observe here 3 to 81, open 3 to 81. Nana. Yeah, both open, both are open. Okay, so what I can say, f of 3 I want to find, that is log 3 base 3, that is equal to 1. F of 81 I want to find, that is equal to logarithm of 81 base 3, that is equal to logarithm of 3 power 4 base 3, that is equal to 4 into log 3 base 3, that is equal to 4. So 3 to 81, 3 is not there, 81 not there, means our output 1 to 4, 1 won't be and 4 won't be. That's what I can say, range. Open 1 to open 4 is the range. So what is B means? I can say B equal to open 1 to 4. Okay, my answer is 3. Okay, students. So this type of problem is important. If a function is surjective, find B. If a function is surjective, find codomain. What is the meaning of that? Just to find range. Here also f map R2 S defined by this is onto means surjective. Then find S, then find a same problem. You want to find range of this function, that's all. Okay, f map R2 S is onto, therefore S equal to range of the function, range of f. Just you want to find range. What is the function? F of x equal to sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1. Range of this, already you know that the minimum value and maximum value from trigonometry. So a cos x plus b sin x plus c belongs to, minimum is c minus root over a square plus b square, maximum is c plus root over a square plus b square. That's why the a cos x plus b sin x plus c lies between c minus root over a square plus b square comma c plus root over a square plus b square. That's why directly I can say that sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1 belongs to close interval 1 minus root over root 3 square 3 plus 1 comma 1 plus root 3 plus 1. What is the meaning of that? Belongs to 3 plus 1 4, 2, 1 minus 2 comma 1 plus 2. So belongs to what, Nana? Minus 1 to 3. Okay, closed minus 1 to closed 3. Okay, so this is S, I can say. Therefore S equal to closed minus 1 to closed 3. Where is that? Yeah, this one. Second option is correct.